Dude, this sick. I don't think you can land on 180.
Oh, all right. A little bit. We young though.
Straight up 180.
Go on to 180. You gotta land it.
Dude, that's hard.
I know.
I can't turn it.
All right, go, Chris.
Come on, Chris.
I'm gonna try a heel clicker now. What you think?
Straight up.
The headache. Hey, no hand. Drake, you tried a no hand before? Huh, Drake?
Huh?
You have to go hand before?
Uh-uh.
Just end it.